everyone, and welcome to our Friday celebration assembly. It's our first assembly of the year, Betty. Are you excited? Yes, I know you are. And we are excited as well because we have had a fantastic week. We have, haven't we, Betty? We really have. And I'm so proud of all the children for the amazing work that they've been doing. And particularly with our reception class, your art class, because they have been very busy all coming in and trying out their classroom before everyone came. And then yesterday they arrived all together. We were so excited. So we are going to not be giving them any awards this week, except that really maybe we are, because they all get an award because we're so very proud of them and how well they came in, and we're so very brave in doing that little work with their teacher and getting to know their teachers. We really are excited about it. Now, there are two awards that we'll be presenting today. The first one is the Going for Gold Award. And Betty, can you just go sit over there because it makes it much easier for me? Yeah. Betty's gonna go sit over there while I announce all the awards. Going for Gold Awards. First, we have Lee's class. We have Harper, P, Aria, Isabel, Julia, and Isla. And they received this award for making a super start to coming to school all day. In Hall class, we have Michael for being this week's top scientist and grouping animals into birds, fish, reptiles, mammals, and amphibians. We also have Alicia for independent work in English, maths, and science. Well done. In Nottingham, we have Ruby for an excellent start to Nottingham class and being keen and eager to learn. We also have SJ for his excellent knowledge in science. In Liverpool, we have Skylar. This is for giving 100% in all of her work. And Susanna K. This is for super effort with her reading of words in Read Write Ink. In Cardiff class, we have Casey for her super contributions during their writing in English. And Maria for always having an amazing attitude and the most incredible manners. In Edinburgh class, we have Isabella for focusing on her work and pushing herself to try her best. We also have Scylla for good participation and listening in lessons, including focusing well on her learning. In Cambridge class, we have Tex for settling into year 5 with a positive and kind attitude. He has tried his best all week in class and outside. We also have Gia for sharing her wonderful ideas in English this week. She has thought very creatively. In London class, we have Tommy for making good choices and for working hard. We also have Riley for making good contributions to lessons and for being motivated with his work. In Oxford class, we have Layla and Ilya for their efforts to present their work beautifully. In Lincoln class, we have Louie for trying hard to complete every activity within his new class. And in Chester, we have Xavier for trying really hard and settling well in his new school. Let's make sure we give them a big hand. Fantastic. I am so proud of all of you and the work you've done. You should be proud. Now, we have the Year of Being Healthy Awards. First, we have in Leeds class, Maz and Votek for loving being outdoors and doing some super cooking in the mud kitchen. In Hall class, we have Nevaeh for a healthy body for super participation in PE this week. She listened so well to Beth from Featherston Rovers and learned how to swing a rugby ball in a side pass. We also have Declan for a healthy mind, for singing, smiling, and telling us he wanted to dance. In Nottingham class, we have Gabby for noticing lots of things in our environment on the outdoor walk. We also have Cohen for explaining to others about good ways to keep your mind and body healthy. In Liverpool class, we have Leland for great effort and participation in this week's PE lesson, and Michelle for showing an awareness of how to keep healthy and fit. In Corrective class, we have Lilia for trying really hard when using the trim trail, and George for putting in a great effort during the PE lesson. In Edinburgh class, we have Tia Rose for her super concentration during our cloud meditation this week, expressing thoughtfully what she saw. Also in Edinburgh class, we have Kristen for really working hard in her mindfulness and calming strategies this week, which have helped her to express her feelings. In Cambridge class, we have David for a healthy body. He does karate, boxing, and football out of school. He's making sure to keep his body healthy. We have Oscar as the other person in Cambridge class for a healthy mind. He remembered to use positive calming techniques when he became upset at playtime. Oscar is keeping a healthy mind. In London class, we have Noah for making a positive attitude and for producing all work to a good standard. We have Chloe for having a positive attitude and for throwing herself into her work. In Oxford class, we have Alfie for trying new things and taking a more active role in the classroom. And Tommy for displaying positive mindset in the classroom. In Lincoln class, we have Leah for getting involved in all outdoor activities, particularly parachute games. And in Chester class, we have Riley F for being positive about transitioning into mainstream year 6, learning new things and making new positive relationships. Let's make sure we give all of them a big hand. I am so proud of all of you. Well done. Wow. Wow, Betty. Come on, Betty. Come back. We have had a fantastic week, and you should all give yourselves a big pat on the back because we are very proud of you, aren't we, Betty? We're very proud. Yes. Right, children. It's Friday. Have a really good day today. Have an amazing weekend. And you know what? We're back on Monday for another fantastic week here. I can't wait. Have a good one. Bye.